The purpose of this short video is to help you understand Costco's pricing strategy and hopefully save you some money and find some great bargains. First of all, Costco is already an amazing place to shop because the maximum upcharge at Costco is only 14%, where most retail stores mark up 50%, 40%, or even more. The reason why Costco can upcharge only 14% is because they charge a membership fee, and they make plenty of money off of memberships to offset the cost. Also, one of the greatest reasons to shop at Costco is their return policy. There is no other retailer, to my knowledge, that offers such a liberal return policy where you can literally take items back if you're not satisfied with them, even years later. It's been said that people have taken products back with no problem whatsoever. However, I wouldn't attempt this, but it has been done. Okay, let's get into the pricing strategy. First of all, when you see a price sticker at Costco and it ends in 0.99 or 0.98, that is a full price at Costco. That means there's no discounts offered, and it's most likely uplinked or upcharged 14%. The next pricing strategy you'll see is 0.97. These items have been discounted. They become great deals at Costco. If you go down the aisles and you look for items that end in 0.97, you know they are clearance items. They've been marked down significantly, and you can usually get a very great deal on finding products at 0.97. The next strategy are items that end in 0.00 or 0.88. These right here are manager markdowns. These might be specific to the local Costco that you're shopping at. These items could be returns, or they could be items with low stock, or just items that they need to clear out of the store to make room for other items. Again, these are very local. You may not find these at any other Costco except the one you actually found them at when you see them. The next pricing strategy is 0.49 or 0.79. These right here are promotional offers from the manufacturer. These are marked down because the manufacturer has given Costco a great deal on the product, so they want to extend that deal onto the customer. So when you see items at 0.49 or 0.79, you should check them because they're usually a really great deal because Costco has paid less to purchase those items. Next, you'll see some prices have an asterisk on them. These products here are usually marked down, but not always. Whenever you see an asterisk in the top corner of the price, it means that Costco will be getting no more of these items. If it's an item you desire, you better purchase them because you may not see them again inside of the store. Finally, look at the Kirkland Signature brand products. These products here have been proven and tested over and over again to be equal or even sometimes better than the name brand products. If you look at different articles from Consumer Reports or other non-biased consumer sites, Kirkland products have always proven to be really high quality items that can often save you a lot of money. Their clothing is top-notch. Their batteries have been proven to last just as long as the name brand batteries. It's just another way you can save money if you see a Kirkland Signature brand and it's at a lower price than a competing or name brand. I hope this video has been successful, and I hope you're able to save money from it. I have included a free PDF file that will allow you to see all these PDFs in a printout form. This should help you to remember them or take to Costco with you if you think it could save you money. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.